Hey viewers, we are back with another video. Hope you are doing great and welcome back to our channel Techno Qasim. Imagine this: you reset your Android phone and suddenly it's asking for a Google account you don't remember. That's called FRP Lock and it can completely lock you out of your own device. In this video, guys, I will show you a simple step to bypass using a tool called Wondershare Dr.Fone, and I will go to step by step. We'll also show you a working process. You can see exactly how it works. And also, guys, this video is just for educational purpose. We are not the financial advisor. So guys, you can only use these methods the device you own or have permission to access. So guys, now we have to move forward to the websites and begins our review. So now guys, we are on the website. Make sure you have to do your own research before joining. Once you are here, guys, you will see different kind of features like screen unlock on iOS and Android as well. You will see guys, system repair, WhatsApp transfer, data recovery, and different kind of features are available on a Dr.Fone. The feature is designed to help users remove Google account verifications from Android devices, especially useful if you have forgotten your login or you wanted to reset your password. That is, guys, perfect for it. Now guys, one thing I have like about this tool, that is, guys, beginner friendly, user friendly. I don't need advanced technical knowledge, just follow the simple steps on a screen. It supports many Android brands and the process and is guided step by step, which makes easier compared to a manual methods. And also guys, this is a perfect for iOS as well. Here guys, you can check out the screen unlock options for both, like on Google guys, Google Android and iOS version as well. You can check out the face unlock, Google FRP lock, fingerprint attempts, Apple ID, iCloud, Face ID. That is up to perfect. You can check out the iOS, Android, both are available. You can check out the WhatsApp transfer, that is available. Try to, guys, you can also try free as well. And data recovery, if you wanted to recover your data on iPhone or on Android, that is perfect. Now guys, also make sure always download the software from official website and make a safe and avoid any issues. That are also the important thing. Now guys, I will show you the actual process how we can guys unlock our FRP from Google account, and I will tell you what is the whole process. Now guys, we have to move to the entire our PC screen and tell you the again all process. Alright, now let's walk through the actual process step by step after opening Wondershare Dr.Fone on your computer, because I already having the software on my computer. So you can simply download it from the official website. So you will see a multiple options on the main dashboard from here, and go ahead, click on the screen unlock. Next, choose the option that says remove Google FRP Lock. This is especially for bypassing the Google verification screen on Android. And you can connect your Android phone to your computer using USB cable. Make sure the connection is stable, and because interruption the process can cause issues. Once the device is connected, the software will automatically start detecting your phone, preparing the necessary configurations. At this stage, you will see some instructions on the screen. These instructions may vary depending on your device brand and Android version, so it's very important to follow them carefully. So guys, for example, you might be asked to put your device into a specific mode, confirm certain settings, or following some simple screen steps to allow the process to continue. Don't worry, everything is guided, so just follow exactly that shown. And guys, you can simply check out the option removing FRP locked is started beginning, and process will be take little kind of some guys time, and it will be completed soon. Now guys, you can see the tool started processing the request and begins removing FRP lock for from the device. This part can take a few minutes, so just be patient and avoid disconnecting your phone guys, and during this time. And behind the scene, the software will working to remove the Google account verification linked to this device. So guys, it's take a little bit time. So guys, you don't need to guys exit the software. You just have to be have some patience, and then guys, after it when it's be completed, you will see guys, and make sure you keep a device connected to the computer and do not perform any operations on the device, guys, during the whole process. So now guys, we have to just wait a little bit time, and then after the process is completed, you will see our FRP lock will be completed soon. So guys, we just need to have some patient here, and the verification will be completed soon. So guys, behind this software working to remove Google account verification linked to this device. So I am showing the live process from my PC screen. So guys, after it completed, you can check out the FRP lock will be unlocked from your device. That is perfect for guys Android and iOS. If you wanted to guys unlock your phones, if you want to recover your data, but important thing guys, just to use this software, use these methods, the device you own, you do not guys perform this method if the device is not yours, and only you have permission to do these kind of operations. So guys, this is very important thing, so you just have to follow it. Now guys, we have to take a little bit pause, and let's show you a screen where guys you can see once this process is completed, your device will automatically restart, and just like the FRP guys is removed, you can check out the FRP is removed, and you can now access your phone without needing the previously signed Google guys account. After unlocking, you can set your up device again as a new or sign in with a different account. Now guys, my account it restarted now. After guys account is restarted, you will see you can set your account with guys new CNEC and guys new details, and after it you can use your phone without any disruptions. So guys, overall this process is quite straightforward, especially compared to manual methods which can be complicated and time consuming. So guys, this is the overall process. You can you have to check it. Our FRP lock is successfully removed, and this Dr. Fone is perfect for Android, iPhone for unlocking FRP, and you can recover your data, you can recover your iCloud, and you can reset your password, pin, anything as well. Now guys, you can reset your phone with the new CNEC. You can put the details there that is required to guys for a new phone. So that is a very simple process. I'm doing my screen where I am putting the details for my phone, preparing for a mobile connection. You can see so after overall the feature is guys amazing. I have used, and guys for yourself I have the link in the description. You can check out everything, and guys you can only use this method for your own device you own, or have permission to access. You never used it for anyone else or cheating anyone. So guys, that is the overall process, that is the overall steps. Hope you enjoy it. Now guys, let's move to the mobile screen. So guys, that was the overall process. I have shown my overall guys details, and step by step guys I have guided you. So guys, for these kind of features guys, we can talk about their pricing details. Offers Wondershare Dr.Fone offers the different plans depending on your need. You can check out here, monthly, yearly plans are available there, and or one-time license is also there. You can check out the details. The pricing may vary based on features and device support, so I recommend check the official websites on the latest details as well. So guys, while it's not completely free, it can save a lot of time for guys frustrations compared to complicated and manual methods. So guys, you can check out their official websites there for the full details. And guys, that is our video. Hope you enjoy it. If you wanted to remove your guys pin, you wanted to reset your password, unlock your Android, iPhone phone guys, this is perfect for your and your phone devices. If you found this video helpful guys, make sure like and subscribe to our channel. Let's meet in the next video guys. Goodbye.